Guys, welcome back after Christmas break. It's been a pretty hectic week. We've got a lot of work done and you guys can see it. So what we've done is that we've got two sensors up right now, one at the community garden and one at the rooftop, which is pushing all the data. And what we're doing with the data, Maria will tell you.
So far we have these two cool devices. One device, it's located in the rooftop. What you're going to see in the presentation, it's a beautiful palette modified where we're going to have the plants and they're going to be retrieving a light that and we also have the home device that retrieves, or depending on the readings that we have in the plants, it shows the information in this home device element. We also managed to connect as well by IFTTT this change of light. So, for example, if we detect that there's a change of light red, there is a message triggered to the platform. We're right now using Slack under the hashtag social patch if you want to follow it. And right now, every time that there's a change, the members of that platform are receiving a notification. Okay, there's a change in the light. You might need to either water the plants, or the plants might be overwatered, the sensor is unplugged. So all the notifications will also appear on the social platform. So this is what we have so far. And well, yeah, we're going to answer Pete's questions.
Okay, so Pete's ready for his question. So what are the things that we would like to do and we don't have time? For starters, we would want to have more sensors. As of now, we just have soil sensors. We're going to have probably a sonar or a temperature, humidity. We would want to play around with a lot of other sensors. We would want to make the home device that we have so far, which you will see in the prototype, more swanky. Maybe make it look a little more prettier, maybe smaller, portable. We would also we're just testing with one plant and maybe 2-3 more later on, but we would want to have it for a wide array of plants. We would want to do a lot of real-time testing to see how people react with these devices, and are people coming closer because of the devices, and want to be able to study the social aspects of it. And like Maria said, we're testing it on Slack right now, but we want to do it on FB and Twitter. We would want to use another social networking interface like Facebook and Twitter. And lastly, we want to be able to track all this humongous set of data. So we want to have a very well history file where we can just push all our data and have it for future reference. Maria is going to answer the next one.
The second question is how our application can be used or in the targeted problem, or how can it be used or explored in other settings. So for the targeted problem that we thought in the beginning, well, we're exploring how people can, through the Internet of Things and this project, build a sense of community. So this way, receiving feedback from the regular social platforms, and just promoting people to gather around the community garden. That's how we plan to explore the community aspect. And we also plan that through this application, people will be more aware of the needs of a plant. That it's through all the sensors, we can learn of about the right temperature, right amount of water, etc. And how can we apply it to other settings? Well, this is just for the community garden setting, but we could apply it maybe to parks, forests, pretty much on every ecosystem that we want people to engage and explore. We could pretty much develop something similar, so people can actually get to learn a bit more about any setting where we can track soil, temperature, humidity, and pretty much that would be.
Bye.